not just painting has been happening to the bike, a lot of other things too. But really awesome is that I finally did something I've been wanting to do for years, and every now and then I forgot when I had the rear wheel off, but that is move the brake line, the rear brake line that was running from the outside to the inside, because that's what I saw on other Transalps. Shut up, Vic. Another cool thing is that I'm putting a mud flap in, rubber mud flap, and this will keep the mud from going to the suspension, thus keeping suspension clean and a healthier suspension life. What's your fucking problem?
This fucking guy keeps talking to himself all fucking day long.
Big Bird, you done it, mate?
What the fuck are you still doing here? It's fucking shiny. Get the thing out of here.
I don't know. It's scary in the dark.
Go on. You're buying the beers now.
It's been a hard-fought project over here, but there she shines. The second version now.
Third, fourth, fifth.
She's been out and about with the paint job. Came back, got another paint job. There she is. Shiny, red and white Alp.
You did a good job, my friend.
Now we're gonna go and sleep. Thanks then, mister. Who's made this?
Sponsored by Escudo Silver.
I haven't seen a dime yet. I've only been paid in liquid bread.
It's not a bad thing.
Alright, this is it again. Alp is loaded up. I'm ready. It's time to continue to ride to Bolivia. And Alp is heavily loaded up. I figured it would have been too much to also put the new tire on there. And I was thinking to go change it in San Pedro de Atacama, but I figured, nah, I'm going to do it now because this is very impractical. As I'm going to San Pedro de Atacama, it's a bit of a tourist trap, so it won't be cheap to change it on there. And here I know a guy where I've been to before who could do it for a nice price. I'm going to hit the road again with a nice, new, shiny Alp. Let's go. Looking for the Bolivian tire man, but he has moved and he's going to show me where it is.
¿Qué onda es esta?
XR! Go! Oh, tranquilo, yo lo hago.
Ah, tenés el...
Tranquilo. Hola, buenas. This is not the Bolivian man, but someone else. Still good price. And it was absolutely hectic when he got here. He just wanted to go straight to work on my bike. I just had to stop him a few times just to really slow down. He wanted to do the whole thing by hand, but I want this to be done with the machine because it saves the rims. It's just absolutely hectic. It was so funny. I wish I'd recorded it. Look at the amount of grease. Normally I always do this. Okay, now it's back to the regular top heaviness. Shinko 805. Let's see how they roll. Now, let's break these in. Watch it in the corners. Caparito. Up! Say all that blah 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 again.
Okay, my friend, drive safe, have fun, blah 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 blah, you know, all that shit. It's a pleasure.
My pleasure, my dude. Take it easy.
Keep the shiny side up.
And she is shiny, alright, so.
Can you call if you need anything?
Alright.
You can bring me chicken empanada tomorrow.
Yeah, that's it. I can read on that.
See you, mate. There she goes. End of a chapter. Time for a new one. Fill her up. See if we make it to Atacama. Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, gutes Fahrt.
Bye.
Very nice to meet you. Take it easy. Not too hot. Only going to get cooler now. So I've been taking it easy the last hour and a half because it was really hot when I left Antofagasta around 1. It's 4:30, and why I waited so long is because I want to take a small route that leads to another route that goes straight through the desert. It's about 200 k's, and it's not like a few months ago. Now it's really hot, and you gotta think about that sort of thing again, especially when you take a bit more alternative route. But it should be fun because it should take us about 60-70 kilometers under San Pedro de Atacama right into something nice. Let's do it. So now we go from this to this. Goes to the test. Case came off. What happened, Alp? You lost your baggage? What a miss. Let's put it back on there. The mechanism was still intact. My shitty mechanism. Bit of mayhem, but since we're here, once I pack this up again, I'm just gonna eat something. I'm hungry. I need proper luggage system. One day again. I'm very happy with the new rear tire, the Shinko 805. Look at all this meat. This one still has a lot of bite. You can feel it. Okay, mood not that great now because I hadn't seen this yet. Broken off clip. Broken clip. Ripped off. Can't hook that up nicely now. Not so good. Not nice. No bueno. Yep, that sucks. But I got options to solve that. Luckily it didn't happen when I was going a lot faster on some serious corrugations about 80 k's back. I fucking knew it, eh? I contemplated, do I bring the sauce? Yes, no. I should not have. Fuck! Whoa, cheese is completely melted. Just you and me, Ham. You and me. Buon provecho. Success. I used this strap, two of them, one there, one on the other side. While I'm at it, also tie the other side down. Cool. Oh no, we're dug in. But wait, look at all that meat. That will get us out.
Not hacking you. Here we are. Top of the world, baby.
Okay, this is unbelievable. I've paid dearly for my stint of straight road boredom. Wow, it just happens coming off the hill over there. Wow, let's find a camp spot really, really nearby. Wow. I shouldn't be riding like this. Super flat tire. But gotta find a spot at least a little bit away from the road. Can you believe it? Time already to bring out the big gun. The hand of God. But I only got one left because the other one is gone, the spoon one. But I got new tools. During my time in the Netherlands, somehow my tools disappeared at the shop. So we're also going to be using this to remove the tire. Big no-no. What are you going to do? You know? There you go. Nature Jack. Alright, I'll leave that for what it is today. It's gonna be dark soon. Lube the chain, call it a day. Hope I didn't rip the tires somehow. Part of the air that's sticking out, forgot the name of that for a second. Doesn't have a nut on it, so it can go inside, and it has a rubber piece that keeps it there, so it's not like it can get really stuck and rip somehow. Though it did go empty really, really fast. Started out with some really nice off-road, then it became this old tarmac. A lot of mining traffic, but still fun, still nice, a lot better than the highway. And before I got there, someone was saying, just follow road, Calama, then to San Pedro de Atacama. It's dangerous. I'm glad I didn't listen. Especially those first moments, like, this is fun. This is exactly what we want. And they try to steer you away from that. And here we are. We left Antofagasta after another month here since I came back from the Netherlands. 3 months in the Netherlands, 3 weeks in Antofa before I went. It's almost like 5 months before we moved on since the clutch problem. I'm telling you, this time thing, it just goes. It just goes. But it's all good. Back on the Bolivia mission. 2,500 meters now. And we're only going to go up from now on. 5 months passed. Quite a lot happened. And we're back on the road again. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.